In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Meshy AI to make a cup. We'll use the text to 3D tool inside Meshy and focus on crafting a clear, focused prompt so the AI knows exactly what to build. Meshy responds best when you describe one object at a time, name the materials plainly, keep the shapes simple, and anchor everything with strong style keywords like realistic, minimal, stylized, or low poly. Start by opening Meshy and heading to the community page. From there, go to your workspace, which is where you'll create and manage projects. In the workspace, choose the text to 3D model option. This is the feature that turns your written description into a 3D mesh. In the prompt box, describe your cup in a way that leaves little room for guesswork. Mention the shape, material, and style. For example, realistic ceramic coffee cup, smooth white glaze, gently curved handle, cylindrical body with slightly flared rim, minimal design, soft studio lighting. Keep it to one cup, avoid extra props, and use clear material words like ceramic, glass, metal, or plastic. If you want a particular look, add style cues such as modern, vintage enamel, handcrafted pottery, or low poly stylized. Next, select a model type. Choose standard for detailed, realistic cups with smooth surfaces and refined handles. Pick low poly if you need a game-friendly asset with fewer faces and a stylized look. For most cups, standard is a great default. Choose your AI model. If you see options like Meshy 5 or Meshy 6, select the one that best suits your needs. Newer models often provide improved detail and topology, while older ones may be slightly faster. Either will handle a cup well. Set the pose. Since a cup isn't a character, select none. The A pose and T pose options are for humanoid rigs and won't help here. Choose the number of generations. This controls how many variations Meshy will produce in one go. More generations increase your chances of finding a perfect result, but they also take longer and use more credits. 2 to 4 variations is a practical starting point. Click Generate and let Meshy build the cup. When it's done, open the texture tool to refine the surface. Describe the texture clearly, such as matte ceramic with subtle speckles, glossy porcelain with a soft reflection, or brushed stainless steel with faint horizontal grain, then apply the texture. If the first try isn't quite right, adjust your wording for roughness, gloss, color, or pattern scale and reapply. That's it. You've used text to 3D to create a clean cup model and the texture tool to dial in the finish, all by guiding Meshy with a focused, descriptive prompt.